Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing good. It's a beautiful day in Cape Town. It's called SL. So yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button, you like the video, and then you comment below what you guys think. So I won't be editing this video because it's been recorded on a Thursday. Apologies for that, guys. But then what I'm going to cover on this video, I'm going to cover what the market can give us for the rest of the week, and then also cover the possibilities of what the market can do next week, right? So do make sure that you click on the like button, comment below what pay you would like us to add on our next market focus. And then also, before I continue, we just added a new course on our services, which is NZDUSD. It's only $30. Right? The links is going to be everything has been dropped. This is our permanent prices that has dropped, and hope to see you guys soon. So NZDUSD, right? So we have price reacting at this area here. So and now daily, we can see the market just open and push to the upside, right? So let's see. Looking at this structure, we can see sorry, not daily. Looking at this structure, we can see the market continue pushing to the upside, right? Which is going to be our target, right? So we can have a nice bullish trend of how our 4-hour looks like, so that it can give us a clear direction of that, right? So looking at this on 4-hour, right? So 4-hour has too many areas that we can work with, but since I'm recording this video for today and tomorrow and for the rest of next week, I'm just going to stick on daily so that you guys can be able to take these trades, right? So do we have any chance of dropping, comes back, and then close below here, right? But then the way it is now, everything looks bullish. So that means we'll need to continue looking for buys until they target these highs here. And then when we get to these highs, this is where now we're going to start looking to see what prices will do. But then if price doesn't break these lows here, as we have seen, we've already got a rejection on our daily time frame. Obviously, this will give us a confirmation. Also come back and play around here again. There's going to be a nice double bottom to confirm that, okay, cool, we are going to push to the upside, right? So let's make sure that we wait for that to happen. And then also, depending if you're a day trader, swing trader, if you're a day trader, then you can start looking for our time frames. And then if you want to be swinging this, then you just wait for daily, or also look for our entries and then take the trades, right? Obviously, scalpers will go to lower time frame, yeah, so that's why we are doing a daily time frame so that everyone can be catered for. So now Nasdaq is looking very nice and bullish. Last market focus, we did say that we did has this nice humongous push to the upside, right? So we have this area here on Nasdaq, which you can see price continue pushing to the downside, right? And then if price does come here and start rejecting here, this is where we're going to be looking for buys to the upside, right? And then if price does close like this, then obviously, depending on today's movement, how the market's going to move, I think we have job claims. Job claims can give us a push to 15,600, which that can happen today. So what we can expect now, we can, if it does break this area, right? What we're going to waiting for, we're going to wait for a break and a retest, and then after that, we're going to look for price to continue pushing to the downside, right? So if price does break to the downside, this is going to be our targets. And then when we get here, this is where also we're going to be looking to take buys, right? I'm bullish on Nasdaq. I don't want to be like to stay too long on sales because it's bullish. So if price does that and then we break this area here, let me just delete this, and then that break this areas here, then we are going to be doing what? We are going to be looking for sales. But then if we're not breaking, then we're going to be smiling with it. So price can push to the downside maybe like today and tomorrow, right? And then hopefully maybe by Monday get here if we are going to be pushing the downside. Remember, guys, the market is a game of probabilities. So you need to look at both sides. What will happen if the market doesn't give me the setup that I'm waiting for? What will happen if the market if you're waiting for a buy, if the market doesn't give you a buy, how can you get a sell? If the market doesn't give you a sell, how can it give you a buy? Do you understand? So if you start understanding those things and then you start putting those things into your plan, that's when you're gonna start taking high probability trades, right? I hope this makes sense to you guys. If it doesn't, comment below or reach us to us and then ask. Right? Don't just watch these videos and take losses on your own. Sometimes if you do take losses, just reach out to us and say, yo guys, this is the setup I saw on YouTube, and I took this trade. This is what I waited for, and this is what I wait for. I'll be happy to help, and make sure that you comment below. And then did I mention that we have we dropped our price crosses, our cost prices? Yes, I did mention that. So we have $60 for advanced course, and then we have a $30 for our Nasdaq course. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Make sure that you follow us on all our social media, and then cheers.